Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty on Monday, where we do bomb things on a Monday, and this is part 2 of my Get Ready With Me with Migos and Drake and Migos edition. Anywho, I am back to share with you how I got my hair together for the look. So I'm not really going to spend too much time. As you can see, I just sort of go through and use a rat tail comb to part my hair. I'm using a Sedu flat iron to complete the look, and I'm not really the best at curling hair with a flat iron, and I'm actually on the market for a new flat iron. So this one's pretty old. It served its purpose and I'm just ready to move on to something else. One technique that I do like to use when I'm flat ironing my hair is to pull the curl through and actually hold it just to allow it to cool a little, and that sort of helps the curl stay. So please enjoy the video. Don't forget to ask questions, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a bomb week.